Hi guys, Josh at CSC Powerstroke Specialist. We've got a 06 E350 van here with a 6-liter, and it's had low power and an overheating condition for a long time, and no codes, nothing to even go off of. And we went in and out just checking everything we could on this thing, and the ECTs, even on streets, not even a giant hill, would be up around 220, and the engine oil temp would be in the 230 range. So we did a buzz test. It actually passed the buzz test, but then in the morning it had like a little slight misfire. So we ended up putting injectors in it, and instantly we had more power, and the engine was working less to get up to speed, and the overheating went away, the oil temp dropped. Absolutely amazing that something like that could exist. But we put injectors in it, and that was it. We double checked everything else, and it's just the injectors, and the problem's fixed. So hope this helps you guys. Thanks, bye.